Mentri katanat puli puthi ka jela urakam sangma ula ai ka Iaroh bat khublei ya samla Langstang uba puli ha ka class 12 ha North Liberty Secondary School Jowai namar ka jing pass ya ka exam joint entrance examination JEE arjar arpasan bat yo rung ha ka Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras habakren shakilat pathai kubor ha ka sautrik nailar urakam ula punpau ka jing so sarong halor ka jing job jong uni samla puli but ong bakari ka day ka jing pensisha halor ka jinga trilang jong ki kimi ki pa kinong hai kai pat ka sorkar ulak do baha usnam baladam u Jonathan sangma natura ula pas ya ka JEE ha ka kerdan ka bahalor hapo kari ha ka ba ula yo rung hapo ka IIT Bombay na kaliang Myntri ula pensyong nongrim ya ka jing job bat ka ra jong ka sorkar ban pentre kam ye ki kot puli NCERT ka bakintiu ha ka bayade baka jing pass bha ha ki exam jongari kum ka National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET but JEE la pentep shanga da ki nohai kai baka ra jong ka sorkar ban pendan kam da ki kot puli NCERT klalong shisha ka ba so ki babuan ki samla ki lala banyakon ye ki exam hapo kari kata la ka dei ka need la ni JEE kani kadai ka bangi ngokmen shibun ban yo I bagi kena puli jongi kilala ban le khambha hagi kerdan exam ba per ulaong haba kali Myntri pentep baka jing thmu jong ka sorkar ban bu shu ye ki jaka ai jihi kai na ka banta ki samla puli ki bakwa banya khon ye ki exam ba per ni don kam shu kani kampat byang satya hoot klem arta tien bahagi por ki bandang wan ka sorkar kadang bedeng ban train na kabenta ban bu shu ki center ki bakerpang ban aji kai ki samla jongi la benram.
We feel proud to announce that our students, maybe more, but as information received, one our youngs, I mean students from North Liberty Secondary School Jowai, Mr. Mendelson Langstang at class 12 completed Minister of this batch has qualified for prestigious JEE Advanced Exam 2025 and he got admission for BTech courses in IIT Madras. So and also if we look back to the last year, Mr. Jonathan Sangma from Tura, he also cracked in JEE with the highest rank in the country. He got admission in IIT Bombay. So this gives us the impressive, inspiring message to every one of us as a government. We feel proud that our children are doing better now. Maybe these are all collective efforts from the parents, from the community, from the schools, from the teachers and from the government too. And I've been told by the teachers that the decision of the state government to adopt NCERT textbook, it's really seeing the result. So many has been qualified for this national level exam, be it NEET, be it JEE. So this is what we are happy today, that at least our students are doing excellently better in the various national level exam and so on. So we have a small training for our civil service aspirant. Yeah, we need more. So this is not enough. Of course, we need more. Yes, definitely in the future. Yes, definitely government is working out to have more center with specifically training our young people. Yeah.